In last video, we see how to create service request and how to process it. But in the middle, we see that if we need material, we can request the work order from the service request. So in this session, we will see how we can create work order from service request and how we will plan and we will take material from the store. So here is one service request that need material. It cannot be complete during inspection. So what we will do, we will open the service request here and we will route it. Once we will route, we will find option here. In this option, we will select second one because we need material to complete the work. So here we will select second option, need material, create work order. We will select the option and we will click OK. Once we will click OK, work order will be generated automatically by the system, and it is here with the group engineer for planning. We can see here where is work order gone. We can see in the workflow and assignment. We will find this assigned with the group engineer. So after creating work order, we will go in planning here, second tab plan, and we will write here task. If there is task in the service request, it will come export automatically. If not, there is no task, we can write here task by ourselves. Okay, this work from SR, anything, whatever is task is there, we can write here. After writing task, we will go in the labor and we will plan labor. We will go in labor, click the plus sign to add new labor, and we will select labor from the list. Here is the all labor is available in this group. We will select the labor and then we will go to material, second tab, and we will plan material, what material we require to finish this work. So we will go in material, click the plus sign, so new row will be added, and we will select here item. We will click here in the item, we will click here, we will find all list of the item available in the system. So there is a lot of items for different sites, but we will filter here for our Mazhamia site. There are 2 items in the store for testing purpose. We will select anyone. We will select one item. It will appear here. We will write here quantity, how much we need. Suppose 10 we need. And we can check here availability of the item. We will click here in front of item and we will see view item availability. This item in warehouse MZ66 and there is no quantity available in the store. So we click OK. So if item is not available, we can click here direct issue. We can click here or we can put the store also. So either we can click here direct issue if we don't know anything or we don't know quantity available or not available. So click here direct issue and it will go to store and stock controller will justify there what to do. It is purchase or available in the quantity. Or you can enter here store also. If you enter store, no need to click direct purchase issue. If you will not enter the store, you have to click direct issue. So after planning the material, your work order is ready for approval. So save this after planning material and route it for approval. Click here for route. But it will come sent to area manager for approval. So it will go to area manager for approval. Click OK. Now this work order is under area manager. You can see here. This is Mangdi Abdulaziz, he is the area manager. So now what will happen from here, area manager will open the work order and he will approve. Once he will approve, it will go to KSU engineer. Okay. KSU engineer will open and see the work order and he will approve. After the approval of case to engineer, it will go to stock controller. You can see, because you cannot open the all work order, so you can see here the map. From area manager, it will go to case to engineer. Case to engineer will approve the work order, then it will go to stock controller. If there is no material in the work order, then it will direct go to zone engineer. So if it is material is there, it will go to stock controller. Stock controller will open the work order and check. If it is available, he will assign the store, which store it is available item. And he will forward the work order, so it will go to zone engineer. And zone engineer can go to store and receive the material. Suppose the material is not available in the store, stock controller will create PR here. He will create PR, and this PR and work order will stop here with status waiting material. Work order will not move. And after creating PR from the store for the work order, PR will go to zone engineer, and zone engineer will approve that PR. PR will follow the purchasing process, means it will approve by the area manager, it will approve by the case to engineer, and is approved by the store manager, then it will go to contractor company, contractor purchasing manager. Contractor purchasing manager will process the PR to arrange quotation, and it is different process. Suppose this all complete, an item will purchase, it will come to store and received in the store. Once it will receive in the store, the work order will open. Work order will open automatically and it will assign to zone engineer. So zone engineer will know that item is already purchased and received in the store. He will come to store and receive the material and route the work order. Once he will route the work order status will change to in progress after receiving material. Means now work is started. Material is available and work is started. After completing the work, the zone engineer will forward the work order and it will go to area manager for his approval. Once area manager will check the work order and find work is complete already, he will forward it for closing. After forwarding area manager, it will go to case to engineer. Case to engineer will check and he will confirm the work is completed. Once he will confirm work is completed, he will forward for closing. After this forward, the work order will close. But before that, it will check some process. It will check the item. Means the item, whatever was requested, all items are issued or not issued. If not issued, Maximo department to verify. And Maximo department will check and return it to area manager to confirm why the requested material is not issued or why the planning material and actual material is different. So both should be adjusted. After adjusting this, he will route it. It will go to case to engineer and case to engineer will forward and work order will close. This is the all process for work order. It will take. Okay. This is all for the work order process. Thank you.